Gotta change the air filter on the Camry. It's been a while. The car has 389,000 right now on the clock, so it's about that time to change this air filter. I have a new one gonna install. First, I'm gonna clean the housing using my special tool blower, and also spray this mass airflow at the same time. Spray this thing. Let it dry. I'm gonna put a rag right here now because I'll be getting this area all cleaned up and blown away. I'm gonna blow this thing out. Alright guys, so today the mileage on the car is about 389,500. So getting close to 390,000 on the clock. And today I'm going to be changing the oil. Change the oil very often, about 3,000, 3,500. And try to do that as often as possible. So let's go ahead, change the oil on this thing. This is the oil that I'll be using. It's a very good oil. I think it's made in Germany. I don't know. Maybe it is. No, it's actually made in UAE. So it's the one I'll be using. I got new filter as well. I'm gonna get this thing drained. It's the oil filter that I'll be using for this car. Remove the old one. fuel filter. Alright guys, I just put the drain plug back in. I'm getting ready to put the oil into this amazing machine. Yeah, the timing belt, I don't know if you watched the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description. I did the timing belt on this thing, the water pump, everything. At 350,000. Even put a sticker on it. Now it has 389,000. Now I gotta change these power steering hoses. They're bad. This one started leaking. Return hoses, so there are two of them. One changed. So that one. Fluid is clean because I did the power steering flush before. It's okay. I'm gonna top it up with a new one, new fluid. Okay, I removed the power steering return hoses. This one was replaced at some point before, but it's like really swollen too, and there are places where it's cracking up right there. This one was the worst. I think this is the original hose that's never been touched or replaced. When I was removing it, it just broke in multiple pieces, and it's just super horrible condition, so need to change that. Okay, so I installed new hoses. I'll show you from the bottom. I'm gonna start tightening them right now. Both hoses replaced. This one good to go. Alright, everything is good there. Fluid level, no leakage from the hoses, so everything's reinstalled. I reinstalled the plate back. Looking good there. Okay guys, so now I have a problem. With this, I want to change the bushing. Actually, these bushings, knuckle bushings in the rear. I don't know when these ones were done. But other than these bushings, everything else has been replaced on it. Brand new control arms here, stabilizers, links, bushings, brakes, shocks. And here's the problem. This thing is just making a noise. The problem with this knuckle bushing is it was squeaking. It's pretty old too, so I installed a new one, and I also have silicone paste, which I'll be using, which will help also with any squeaking noises in the future. It's going to prevent that.